Good morning, students. This is our science class online, and we're going to be reviewing pushes and pulls, which some of you may already know, and we had started looking at this chapter while the classes were still happening in school. So this is science for EP1/1 and EP1/2, as we're going to be learning together during this online period of classes. In this chapter, we're going to investigate, communicate, and identify the differences between pushes and pulls. As you can see, the boy is playing with his yellow toy car, and the girl is playing with her puppet. They are doing different actions. One of them is pushing, one of them is pulling. Can you guess which one is doing what? So the boy is moving the car away in this direction. So it means he is pushing. And the girl is moving the strings up closer to her. It means that she is pulling the strings. Push, what is it? A push is when we move something away from us, like in this picture. He is pushing, it's going that way, not close to him. The object is moved by the force of your push. So force, remember this word, because a push is a force. Let me highlight it here for you. And look at the girl. She is playing with her cart, with her toys inside, and she's making the same motion as this picture. She's pushing it away. Now we have pull. What is it? A pull is when we move something closer to us. So look at this picture. They're pulling it closer, bringing it near, not away, near you. So the object is moved by the force of a pull. Again, the word force, because a pull is also a force. So push and pull are forces. When you play tug of war, you pull the rope. Here we have some examples I would like you to see in this video, and I would like you to sing along with it. The main things I want you to take from it are you can push things forward and you can pull things back. So please watch the video before moving on to the next slide.
Some things we push, some things we pull. To some things we don't do anything at all. But if you want an object to move, there's something you've gotta do. You can push things forward, you can pull things back. You can push things forward, you can pull things back. You can push things forward, you can pull things back. Push things forward, pull things back. You might push a car that's broken down. You might push a friend on a swing around. You might push a button on a front door bell. You might push a door as well. You might pull a rope in a tug of war. You might pull a handle on your own back door. You might pull down on a big church bell. You might pull a hose as well. You can push things forward, you can pull things back. You can push things forward, you can pull things back. You can push things forward, you can pull things back. Push things forward, pull things back. You can push things forward, you can pull things back. You can push things forward, you can pull things back. things forward, you can pull things back. Push things forward, pull things back.
Okay, so now that we know the difference between a push and a pull, I would like you to complete this worksheet writing push or pull below each picture. So we're going to do the first one as an example. What is the man doing? Is he moving this closer to him or is he moving it away from him? Let's see. So he's moving it in that direction. So he's not moving it near him, he's moving it away from him. And when you move away, it is a push. So we're going to write push over here. P-U-S-H. And I would like you to do the same for each individual picture. Let's see. So here, what is she doing with the baby? Is she pushing it or pulling it? How about the robot? Pushing or pulling? The man is swimming. What is he doing with his friend? Is he pushing his friend or is he pulling his friend? Again, getting into the back of the truck. What does he need to do to get that inside the truck? Push or pull? This exercise, what is he doing with his arm? Look at the motion. Same here for the tree and the child. So just pay attention to the movement each person is doing and try to decide if they're making a push or a pull. Which force are they using? Okay, now that you have completed the worksheet, I would like us to review the words we learned previous to the online classes while we were still in school. So we learned that when we do some actions, they cause a push or a pull. For example, this first action, they are skipping. This action, he is swinging. Here, the little boy is climbing. And they are turning. And here they are jumping. Repeat after me. Skipping, swinging, climbing, turning, jumping. Now I would like you guys to get your activity book, page 67, and I would like you to look at the picture. In what way are they moving? So look at each children in this picture. They're in a playground. They're playing different games with different rides. Is each child moving? In what way is he or she moving? Write down your answers. Use the helping words. So again, we have climbing, swinging, jumping, and turning. If you are not sure, you can go back to the previous slide and compare the pictures. So we're going to write yes or no for the answer of the question, is he or she moving? And then in what way is he or she moving? We're going to choose from here. Okay? So let's do the first one as an example. Lily. Where is Lily? Lily is over here. So is she moving? Yes or no? Yes. So you're going to write yes. In what way is he or she moving? So in what way is she moving here? She is swinging. So you're going to write swinging over here. And you're going to do the same for the rest of the kids. You will write yes or no if they are moving and what way are they moving. That will be it for our first lesson, and I hope you have understood. If you have any questions, message me, and I will be sending the second lesson shortly. Thank you.